Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Melanie, and I help sellers create templates that actually sell without spending hours guessing what might work. Today, we're talking about the one thing that trips up so many new sellers. And it's not about your shop's logo. It's not about finding that one perfect design. It's something way less glamorous, but far more powerful. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why it matters so much, but you'll have a step-by-step plan to actually make it work in your shop. When you first start, it's so tempting to set up your shop, create a few designs, hit publish, and then just wait. If you already launched your first store, you probably thought, if I just put it out there, the orders will start rolling in. But here's the truth. The internet is a busy place. Your shop is competing with thousands of others. And success doesn't happen by just showing up once. What usually happens? People get excited in the first week, then discouraged by the lack of sales and slowly stop uploading. Or they start redesigning their shop over and over, hoping that's the magic fix. But no new products are going up. The thing new sellers overlook is consistency. I'm talking about showing up every single day, even when it's quiet. It's easy to be motivated when orders are coming in. But what about when it's just crickets? That's the difference between a hobby shop and a business. Think of it like planting seeds. You can't water them once and expect a forest. You have to keep going even when you don't see anything sprouting yet. Now, showing up doesn't mean working yourself to burnout. You can make it easier with the right tools. Template lets you create and edit designs faster so you're not reinventing the wheel. AI tools can generate keywords, titles, and descriptions that help your listings get found. Everbee shows you what's trending so you're not creating in the dark. These aren't shortcuts that replace the work. Think of them as power tools. A hammer still needs someone to swing it, but it makes the job 10 times easier. Consistency isn't glamorous. It won't get you instant sales, but it's the one thing that quietly builds your shop into something real. Your future self will thank you for every single quiet day you kept going, because those days add up into a business that actually supports you. So here's my challenge for you. Commit to showing up for the next 30 days, even if it's just 20 minutes a day. Use the tools I mentioned to make it easier, but remember, you still have to swing the hammer. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other videos where I break down how to create designs that sell step by step.